Hey, we're back. We're looking at a 170-ton Van Dorn HT. This is a 2000 model. It is the 500 series injection unit on it, 10.7 ounces with a Pathfinder 5000. We'll just do a quick walk around the machine, dry cycle it. If you have any questions, give us a call at our office, 248-627-3135. You can also check out all of our inventory at idealmachinery.com. But here we go, running off this 170-ton HT Van Dorn. Well, there it is, the 170-ton Van Dorn HT. If you have any questions, like I said, give us a call at 248-627-3135. Check out our website, idealmachinery.com. We sell everything from mold temperature controllers to dryers, grinders, hoppers. We also have the largest used parts selection for injection molding machinery. We sell everything from the fuses and the contactors, the breakers in the cabinet, all the way to the hydraulics and the tie bars on this machine. We are the one-stop shop for all of your injection molding needs. Give us a call. We'd love to help you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.